DEI is actually evolving from compliance to core business strategy. Earlier, in fact, it was lying in the HR basket, but now it's a part of the leadership performance. Now, when it becomes a part of leadership performance, there are tough questions which are being asked, like, is this actually driving real outcomes? So for that, diversity goals are being linked to KPIs and hiring targets. In fact, hirings are skill-based now rather than any pedigree bias. And in fact, the focus is more on the assessment, which is on skill, rather than something which is actually decorating your resumes. The second point that I was talking about is equity, which has in fact creating a lot of buzz in the market in last few years. Equity audit is gaining a lot of traction in the global market. And this is across genders and roles. This is bringing transparency, trust, and loyalty among employees towards employers. But the question is, are we able to retain and utilize the skills to the maximum? So there are trainings which are getting involved, and one of them is an unconscious bias trainings, which is actually for managers, and this is promoting inclusive practices and creates open communication. So better teams. Adding to that, we have our flexible work environment, which is a lever for the DEI. Now, this is giving access to resources who are on break post-maternity, who have some physical disability, or they come from small towns, tier 2 cities. But now comes the reality check actually, because if this is not executed well, it just becomes another checkbox. And with AI into hiring, there might be a bias risk if the algorithmic data that we are feeding is not clean. So we need to take care of that also. But lastly, the future is simple. DEI, like any other aspects, has to be measurable. The impact should be visible, because it's not only about inclusion and fairness, it's about building stronger and productive teams. If outcome is not visible, it will not get funded. So to scale, we need to have visible and measurable impact to see that DEI is actually shaping the workplace.